guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, I'm going to need you to smash that subscribe button. This is my first and only YouTube channel, so with the summer slowly approaching, I do have a lot of amazing things in store for you guys. With that being said, why not subscribe? This channel will be filled with a lot of adventure. So here's a question I know a lot of parents may experience. How do I moisturize my child's dry hair? I'm going to tell you in this video, you are not just going to learn how to moisturize you or your child's hair, you are also going to learn how to grow the hair as well. So stay tuned for the full duration of this video so you do not miss a beat. Today is my daughter's natural hair wash day, and I noticed after taking down her braids that her hair was really dry. I mean, so dry and brittle that I just couldn't even bear it. So I decided that we're going to go in with an aloe vera treatment today. This is a fresh aloe leaf that I did purchase from my grocery store, my local grocery store. I think it would actually be cheaper if you did go the grocery store route. I did purchase this for under $1. I like to say that you can use this remedy on children as young as 5 months and up. So it is a natural remedy. It is very safe to use. Just look it up and do your research on it yourself, I would definitely say. That's what I do before I try anything out on me or my child's hair. Because my child and I do not get any type of relaxers or perms, I do seek any type of home remedy that would help me with keeping our hair moisturized and on a nice healthy path for that week. Just some FYI information if you do not know anything about an aloe leaf or the good things that it can bring to your hair. An aloe leaf is good for any hair type, regardless of the hair type. It will leave the hair soft and moisturized, and that's why I will choose this method over the rice water method, because it is thebomb.com. Not only does an aloe leaf help nourish the scalp, but it helps with damaged ends as well. It balances pH, conditions and moisturizes, and a whole lot more. It has a lot of enzymes that helps with dead skin cells and reduces dandruff. This method is 110% effective for cradle cap, relief for dryness, and helps with mild skin irritation. This method is a little messy, I'm not gonna lie, but it is so effective, and that's why it is always my go-to when mine or my daughter's hair is in a dry state. So again, there are 2 benefits from using this aloe vera treatment method. Again, one of the benefits is hair growth, and the other benefit is moisture. It is proven research, guys, in this method. Please check with your pediatrician. It is a lot of health studies in regards to this, but also look it up yourself just to be assured. With this method, you're going to want to rinse with shampoo and water, or you're going to want to rinse with just cool water. Please, please, please do not try to detangle your child's hair before using this method. They're just going to be in pain, and it's just not going to be any fun. It's just simply you're just simply going to apply the aloe vera plant like so to the dry areas of the hair. Now, when it looks like you're running low on gel like so, you're going to want to puncture, okay? You're going to want to puncture the aloe vera leaf, and that's what's going to get it all gelled back up, okay, and running. The gel is the good part. That's the good part. That's what we want. We want it to be all ooey gooey and messy because it acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. Because it has vitamin B and C, it is helpful because it also has vitamin E in it, which is skin friendly. Vitamin E is skin friendly. The more you get it gelled up and the more you get it ooey gooey and nasty looking like that, the more nutrients it'll bring and the more hydration it'll bring to the hair. So just to recap on what we did with our aloe vera plant today, we went in and added it to her scalp as well as the ends of her hair for moisturizing and as well as conditioning. After adding that to every hair strand, I went in and either twisted the hair or braided the hair and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing. Getting ready for the shampooing part of the treatment, I'm just going to make sure that I go in and really massage her scalp as well as her ends really good. My hair is not dirty or bad at all, so I'm just going in with one wash. If you've made it this far in the video, you might as well smash that like and subscribe button and comment other video ideas that you'd like to see from me in the future. This is the aftermath of her hair, guys. It's healthy, happy, and clean. And this is the style that we ended up doing for the week. Thanks for watching. Until next time.